Hello, we would like to show you how declarative Gradle's data models are able to track the source of the data, making up their content, and specifically how this works for list properties and how it can be visualized via the Gradle Client application. So if you take a look at this list property, we can see that it gets a value assigned in a setting script default block, but then additional values are added to it in a build file. So the model will contain all these values. That's what the same color highlighting is supposed to suggest. And in addition to being able to track all the elements that make up the list, we also can track each and every individual value in those lists. That's what this smaller scoped highlighting is supposed to show. Another example we can take a look at is when there is shadowing of the list value. So basically the list gets assigned an initial value in the setting script, but then the initial value is overridden in the build script. In this case, the content of the list in the model, as seen here, will contain only the overriding value, but still the model is aware of both setters, even if not all of them end up in the model. And again, here, as we've seen before, tracking goes as deep as necessary. We can see the source information for individual list elements too.